Good evening, friends. This is GV Shivkumar again, and today, actually, as requested by many people, they are asking about what is computer engineering. Is a new course. Actually, what is a computer engineering? And so, in this course, first we like to see what is computer engineering, and in in my next video, we can see the difference between computer science engineering and computer engineering, right? Actually, so normally computer engineering is more, is more suitable or good for those who are interested in electrical electronics, and also in addition they are interested in programming, software, general coding and programming, right? For those, really the computer engineering is really good, because computer engineering normally deals with the hardware in addition to the software. Okay, say for example, actually, if you want to design a processor or a CPU, so in that case, actually, the entire, actually, the CPU or the hard disk, right? I mean, not only hard disk, the entire CPU, which is having RAM, ROM, random access memory, read-only memory, and then we have motherboards, and in that we have a lot of IC chips is there. So in olden days, we have transistors, diodes, resistors, capacitors, or very big in size, and totally, if you see the IBM computers, actually it will come, that CPU will be look like a big room. Okay, so they are calling where data, everything was stored. So the computer station is needs a big room, and it looks like a separate room for each server thing or something. Actually, it will be a separate block kind of thing, actually. So it is a very every circuit, the electrical electronic circuit will need lot of space, because they are big in size, and then operating power supply also, they need lot of, big power supply. But nowadays, you can see that in old James Bond films or any English films, you can see the IBM networks and everything, right? That actually that requires a huge space, very big in that, and so TV monitor also very big, and the operating desk also having lot of switches and everything. Those are old computer systems. Now, due to the innovations or simplifications in the engineering, electrical and electronics field, we have we have desktop came in the middle 90s. Then actually we have laptops, then palm tops, and even actually we are having the mobile devices which can handle everything, right? What computer does. So this is due to the handy, or the innovation, or I can say actually simplification. Say actually, in the sense, actually all the resistors, capacitors, boards, memory, everything will be coming in one single chip. So all the required, I can say, required devices, all the controlling circuits, everything will come in very handy, right? Actually, so the size of the laptops and everything actually is very lightweight and very small in look, and its look is stylish. So compared to the old, actually, say all the electronic and electrical circuits, everything now managed by the IC chips, right? They can do, they are having lot of legs, right? Pins. So each having the particular functionality, so we can operate whatever functions and everything we can do. So this computer engineering department, right? Actually, this course will deals mainly with the computer engineering branch and everything. I got a bit disturbed in the middle. So actually, normally the computer engineering deals with electronic circuits, right? Say for example, I gave that how to design a CPU, all mouse, all the electronic devices actually were operated by the voltage and by the electricity, right? Actually, or say even monitors, everything, right? Actually, all coming under the hardware thing. So we are in this computer engineering, 50% we are studying about basics of electronics operated motors, stepper motors and everything, because where the CD and everything, right, will be operated by the stepper motors and all these things. And then actually drives, and then small actually switches, breakers, and then actually we can see about the network operating, I mean networking instruments, right? Actually switch, router, and then I can say server maintenance. So mainly the server, computer engineering deals with the hardware devices. So actually we can, where maintenance is very important. So normally actually operation and maintenance will be morely concentrated on computer engineering, and in addition to actually normal computer science, we have the Java programming, C, C++, Python, all these things. So this the person who undertaken this computer engineering course will definitely benefited with the knowledge of electrical electronics engineering plus the computer science programming and everything, app designing and everything, those also. So they can whether either they can go to the electrical electronics field or computer science field actually. But see, actually normally in computer science engineering, actually they won't concentrate on more on electronics and everything. Might be slightly on the signal systems and all, but actually they won't concentrate more on that. But in electrical, this computer engineering department, they can concentrate on electrical and electronics. Say, actually I already told thyristors and whatever actually the electrical engineering or electronic engineering students will study. In addition to they will learn actually the programming. So basically mainly concentrate on the networking, computer systems, communication engineering, design kind of things, right? Actually, so design, I am telling not a communication technology engineer, I am telling the electrical electronics equipment design and everything, maintenance, operations and everything, server maintenance. So they can able to work in, actually say I can say in bank actually where server maintenance is required, network maintenance is required, so they can able to work on that field. And even actually they in say in IT field, actually they need system administrators, then actually server administrators, everything, right? So those kind of role they can able to do. So they can able to troubleshoot actually what are the hardware failures, server failures, network failures. They can work on that, and any devices related to IC chip or any kind of thing, actually they can able to work. In addition, they are getting the knowledge of software programming, so that will be more benefit. They can easily troubleshoot where this particular problem will happen, whether it is related to the say software or a hardware or a firmware kind of thing, where integration takes place between hardware and software will take place. So all these things actually very important actually. So the computer engineering is a very good department. So so people can easily go and read that computer engineering courses. So it is having good potentially having good importance, and salary also very good. So you can either become a electrical electronics engineer. Also you become, you say if an electrical engineer or electronics engineer want to become a software engineer, they can able to do, or a software engineer, this after doing this course, especially computer engineering department. If a say for example, support a person who is working in apps development and everything want to switch over to electrical or electronics, they can able to do. This is a good I can say sandwich course between electrical electronics and software engineering. So they can choose based on their interest. They can choose whatever department it is suitable for them. So they can learn all the electrical electronics related courses in their semesters. In addition they can read the programming and package softwares learning and everything, coding and everything they can learn. This is a good thing actually. They can student can choose in compared to a computer science engineering, pure computer science engineering. Computer engineering is best actually, because they are reading all the computer related hardware. Even actually nowadays home is becoming automated, right? We have automatic control of TV sets, fridge, and then washing machine, and then even actually the micro oven. Everything can be controlled through Wi-Fi, right? So if the computer engineering students can troubleshoot both actually the hardware and software problems whatever occurring, so that is a good choice actually nowadays. Now automation becomes a very important thing. So so these students will get a bright future, and starting salary definitely actually they will get actually 4 lakhs when coming from the private colleges through off campus, and if on campus means they will get more than 6 lakhs or something based on the company, and also their actually the company they are attending, and their skill set and everything. And actually for like a premium institute, if their student is doing computer engineering in premium institutes, then actually they will get lot of packages, even 15 lakhs or something as a starting package. And if in like IIT or actually NIT or a kind of actually level 1 grade government colleges, they can even get 25 lakhs or 30 lakhs. That depends on their skill set and marks, and actually how they perform in the campus interview. Everything matters, and how they are showing their interest towards the learnings and the future coming technologies. So all this matters. Okay, so I think the choosing the computer engineering technology is a good thing, so they can learn both computer science related to programming and everything, coding and everything. In addition to, they can learn the electrical and electronics field. What is a thyristor? What is a diode? What is a resistor? What is a capacitor? What is an oscillator? Why where the digital logic circuits are employed? Because in computer science, digital logic circuits are very important, and NOR gates, right? So all these things they learn, signal circuits, signal systems, everything, and then they can learn, and they can also learn about the actually electrical and electronics motors, DC AC motors, stepper motor, linear induction motors, everything, and they can learn. And also they can thoroughly learn on the electrical and electronics actually, right? Transformers. Even actually in the electrical electronic circuits, we have small step down, step up transformers are available. So they can also learn about the big transformer applications. And also especially I am seeing in the load dispatch center and everything, actually where electrical and all the electrical systems are controlled by the SCADA systems, actually where programming is more required. So they can easily go to this, computer engineering students can easily deep dive into I can say microprocessor or embedded systems related fields. So that is really good for them, because where embedded systems will have both integration of hardware and software. So that is a really good option. Actually they can easily get into that field. So I hope actually all the details I have provided is very useful. I can prepare actually the embedded systems related applications, so we can go through in the in the videos, right? So thanks for watching. Actually I think actually the details I have given related to computer engineering will be more useful for the students, because nowadays actually for the all India engineering entrance, all this choosing a college, everything happens now, that program is going on. So it is a right time to know about this engineering courses, available courses. Thanks for watching. This is GV Shivakumar signing off.